back to my YouTube channel. How are you ni?
Kidosh.
Good. Yes. Wenye wananijua nafanya nini? Kidosh. Welcome back to this vlog of today. As you can see, we have visitors. Before we continue, continue subscribing. So, subscribe, hit the notification bell. So you'll be among the first people to be notified among or about these vlogs. And to the returnees, continue liking, sharing and
comments.
Good. Yes. Kufanya nini? Comment. Yes. So my people, you can see I have guests with me, and in today's video we want to play a game. Tuone ni nani ako na kicheko mingi sana. So we'll start. When you make, these are the rules my guys,
Yeah.
Una make a funny noise, ule anacheka wa kwanza tunamgonga na nini?
Caution.
Pillow. Sawa? Ama caution. Yes. Depending na kwenye ulisomea. So when you amenda group of schools, hii ni caution. When you amenda group of public, inaitwa pillow. Haya. So nani anaanza? Juendo kijana peke yake, tuende hivi, si ndio?
Bana, yes. Inanodaliwe hivi, atuzienda hivi.
Si unaweza anza hivi afu tuende hivi, si ndio? So, akimake a noise, ule atacheka, tunamfanya nini? Pillow. Sawa. Let's start. We go. Na hata kusmile, it's an offensive. So don't smile. So camera person, ukiona mtu akismile, you say, okay? Yes. Now before that, I'm just introduce TikTok. Auko TikTok? Anajita Lucy Smile TikTok.
Jeff Munga 328_.
TikTok? Yes. You go there, see their moves, see their dance, see what they do there, and support them. Yes, they do amazing things there, and I appreciate you're using the technology in the right way. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So let's continue with the game. Moja, unamgonga tu moja. Next, it's you. Hakuna kugongana kichwa. Ni wewe tunaenda hivi. Au kana sako be like hivi and then unamuka hivi. Gasiu. Sema yako. Mao. Kacha. Haya, sawa. Ukiona umecheka wa kwanza na niona unagongwa, unainama, unagongwa ndio usigongwe kichwa, sawa? Na don't use a lot of energy sana. Sawa my people? Haya. Nenie. Huyu amecheka. Ni wewe, endelea. Acha kuniangalia.
Cocomelon.
Hakuna mtu amecheka yako. Ni next.
So what's up guys? Mimi ndo mama kumaliza hii game, and my question is, who do you think made the funniest sound? And I need your answers in the comment section. And also remember to like, share and subscribe, and also remember to press the notification button. Shalom. Boom.